Good day everyone, are you having fun playing the latest Genshin Impact game? It's really quite fun open world action RPG game which is available in Android, iOS, PC and PS4. But you want to get those premium gacha characters, but you lack the in-game resources to get it. Fret not, I will share to you guys on how to get 10k or more intertwined fate and acquaint fate into your Genshin Impact account. This current cheat and exploit only works for Android and iOS devices. Now, open a web browser into your Android or iOS phone and type in appmonarch.com/Genshin Impact and hit search. Once you are on the site, just type in your in-game account name for Genshin Impact. Specify the device you use by clicking either Android or iOS icon. Now just add on how many intertwined fate and acquaint fate you want to have into your account. I'll just add 10k intertwined fate and acquaint fate. Then click the continue button. Wait for the cheat to inject its code to your Genshin Impact account. Once done and you see bot detected, just click on the confirm button. Then just download the app shown to you for verification. There is a description in the app on what to do in order to verify you are not a bot. For example, it requires you to play the game or app for 30 to 60 seconds. Some may require you to reach a certain level in the game in order for you to complete the verification. But don't worry, these apps are official Google Play Store apps, so you don't need to be alarmed about malware or viruses on the files you download. Install the app and run it for 30 to 60 seconds, or play the game and reach the required level. I'll just skip the download and installation part since I already have done this today. Now, I'm going to show you guys that the intertwined fate and acquaint fate are successfully added into my account inventory. Hi, as you can see, the resources have been successfully added into my account. If you find this helpful, please do subscribe to my channel for more updates.